Poco X2 will receive the Android 11 update, confirms Xiaomi. Officially launched earlier this month with Android 10 onboard, the Poco X2 has been confirmed to receive the Android 11 update. In a press release earlier today, Xiaomi announced that the device will receive the Android 11 update going forward, but there's no ETA for that just yet. Google released the first developer preview of Android 11 last week with a number of innovative new features, including chat bubbles, a conversation section in the notification panel, support for copy-paste within the notification shade, more granular permissions for stricter privacy, a native screen recorder, an improved Do Not Disturb mode, scheduling options for dark mode and more. The search giant has also officially announced a definitive timeline to launch the final release version of the software, saying that it will have 6 pre-releases, 3 developer previews between now and April, followed by 3 betas, starting next May, before the final stable build is released in Q3 2020. As a refresher, the Poco X2 was unveiled almost 2 years after the launch of the Poco F1, known as Pocophone F1 globally, in 2018, but has disappointed some fans because it lacks the raw power of its predecessor. However, its price tag still makes it one of the most attractive devices in its price point alongside similar smartphones from Realme and Samsung. Powered by the Snapdragon 730G SoC and featuring a 120Hz FHD Plus display, the Poco X2 starts at Rs. 15,999 for the 6GB plus 64GB model, while the 6GB plus 128GB variant comes with a Rs. 16,999 price tag. Xiaomi is also offering an 8GB plus 256GB version for a hefty Rs. 19,999. It went on sale February 11 in Atlantis Blue, Matrix Purple and Phoenix Red color options on Flipkart.